Hi everyone, we're at the Düsseldorf boat show today and we're going to discover the new Dragonfly 36. Let's follow us and Peter to take a tour of the boat.
Hi, I'm Peter Quorning. I'm representing the Dragonfly. I'm the third generation of this family-owned business. And right here behind me we have the new Dragonfly 36 Performance. It's the world premiere here at bootdusseldorf.
Hi Peter. First question for you. So what was the inspiration behind the design of that new model?
Yes, we in our program we have the 25, 28, 32 and then the 40. And we kind of wanted to close the gap between the 32 and the 40. So that's why we came up with this size, and we could see and we could feel from the feedback from the Dragonfly 40 owners all the good things from that boat we want to bring into a smaller version. So we have, you can say it's like a compromised Dragonfly 40. So we took many of the good stuff from the Dragonfly 40 and wanted to use it here. Yeah.
So who's gonna sail that Trimaran? Who's your target customer really?
Yes. Our target customers, or what we see mostly sailing our boats, is actually people that have been sailing most of their lives, all kind of different boats, and want a new inspiration, new sailing experience. So, and that's what you get here at a Dragonfly. You get this very stable platform to sail. You can go fast, comfortable, and still have all the accommodation you need inside a boat for longer trips and also for day sailing trips.
In terms of performance, which is in the name of the boat, what are you expecting in terms of sailing speeds and type of sailing that you can do with it?
Yes, of course we want to deliver a high sailing experience. So what you can expect here is you are able to do plus 20 knots of sailing. So we expect a top speed of 23 knots. And then, but what's important here is that we have the cruising speed, quite high cruising speed. So you can expect between 10 and 15 knots of cruising and still do very comfortable.
What configurations do you have for that boat in terms of cabins? How many people can you sleep in?
You can you're able to sleep 6 persons in the boat. You can comfortably sleep 4 people in the boat, 2 in the front cabin, 2 in the aft cabin, and then you are able to fold out the sofa inside the boat to a double fold.
Tell us a little bit about the key features on that boat.
Yeah, sure. So here on the Dragonfly 36 is the first time that we now do the composite swing wing construction. This means that all the stainless steel hinges in the swing wing construction is removed. So now it's composite meets composite, and a pin bolt that goes through to join the parts. So that's a huge step for us. It saves weight, it saves time in production. As an end user, you're not going to feel the big difference because it's of course still working the same way, but the boat is more stiff than previously. Then we also have the negative bar on the main hull, which gives us the opportunity to move more volume forward in the main hull to give more stability when pushing the boat downwind.
Hi Peter, how about the build of this boat? What kind of material are you using, and where is it built?
The boat is built in the Dragonfly yacht in Denmark. We are using for this boat we're using GFK glass fiber. It's glass fiber polyester construction, and then we also have some carbon reinforcements where we experience the high loads here on the boat, like in the wings and in the main bulkheads.
How many boats a year are you planning on getting out of the yard?
We're planning to be at a level of around 12 boats a year. That means that we can deliver a boat every 4 weeks. But here in the beginning, the boat is brand new. This is hull number 1. We expect the first couple of boats to take a little bit longer time until it's running in production.
What can we expect in terms of price range for this new model?
For the Dragonfly 36 here, we have a starting base price here in the beginning of 2025, which is 510,000 euros plus VAT. But we do customize boats, so it's very, very individual what the price tag is, the final price tag is of the boat.
All right, thank you so much for your time.